Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this episode, we want to take the area of a circle. In our previous lesson, we've discussed what a circle is, its perimeter, what the radius stands for. So we know that the line from the center to any part of the circle or touching any part of the circle is our radius. So the radius is given as r. Then to find the circumference, the distance around it, the length of it is given as what? 2 pi r. We've developed that also in one of my episodes, so check it out. So now we take a circle and we divide it into 16 different sectors. We divide it into it and we shade 8 of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is also unshaded. Then we cut it. We cut each sectors into 16 different sectors. So we arrange the shaded part together and arrange that of the unshaded part together, fixing them together to form what we call a rectangle. You can see this is, if the smaller the sectors, the unique nature of your rectangle, you see it very unique. But if the sectors are big, you will see the contour line being shown. So this is 16 of them. So this is the length, this is the breadth. Now you can see that this is the whole circle. All of the sectors, 16 of them, will form the circumference. But you are seeing that here is only comprising of what? Only the shaded part. And the shaded part is the same as the unshaded part, meaning it's half of the total circumference. Meaning this is going to be 2 pi r over 2. Meaning this will also be the same, 2 pi r over 2. And that will give us only pi what? R. Here will also be pi r. Here is a r because from the center to the circumference is given as radius. Alright. So if I ignore this diagram and I want to concentrate on this, I will say that this is a rectangle. And the area of a rectangle is the length, which is the longer side, times what? The breadth, the shorter side. So from here, as a rectangle, I will say length, pi r, which is this, times the breadth, r. And that will give us pi r squared. So since the rectangle is nothing but the circle, it means that the area of the rectangle is the same as the area of the circle. So therefore, area of a circle is given by pi r what? Square. Where pi, we already explained that is a constant of 22/7, meaning the circumference divided by the diameter produce what? The constant for us. So this is the formula you will use in finding the area of any circle. So if I have a circle, so a circle of radius 14 centimeter, we have to find the area. That simply means that my area of any circle is what? Pi r squared, where in this case our r is going to be 14 centimeter. The pi is always a constant, 22/7 or 3.142. So here by substitution, 22/7 will multiply the radius, in this case 14 times 14. 14 squared is 14 times 14. So we know in this case 7 will go into itself 1 and goes here 2 times. Then the 2 will multiply this or multiply this. So it could be this as 22 times 28. Then when we multiply this together, we have our 616. Since this is centimeter, in this place become centimeter times centimeter give us what? Centimeter square. Meaning the area of any circle of radius 14 centimeter will give you 616 centimeter square. Don't forget, as much as we are using radius, we can also make use of diameter, where we know that our radius equals to diameter over 2. Meaning, if this is a radius, two of them, this and this form a diameter. So if I divide the diameter into 2, I get a radius. If I substitute into this formula, your area is going to be pi r, which is now what? D over 2 all squared. So d square will be d square, 2 square will be 4. So we have 4 pi d over what? 4. Meaning pi will multiply d squared, 2 will also be squared, then that will become what? 4. So any question that make use of a diameter, which is not an even number you can divide easily to get your radius, you use this formula directly to get your answer. I believe you get the concept. So easy, right? All right. Thank you for watching. If you follow and understand, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, share with your learning mates, like, and leave a comment for us to get interactive. All right. Thank you very much.